say? Hold on, just look.
Just look. Wait, leave it.
Just look, Bubba. Watch
Watch.
what it does.
Watch. Watch this.
Look at it go. Drew, listen.
What does that say? What did the train say? Chugga,
Drew, do you like your train?
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Do you like your train? Hey, you. So make it go fast?
Let's make it go fast. Chugga, 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 chugga. Look at it go!
What does the train say, Drew?
What does the train say?
You do your woo-woo.
Turn on the music. Rum bum. Look at the train.
Music is under here somewhere?
Yeah. Oh, look at that, Drew. See it? Want to go touch it? What does the train say? Oh look, it's a train, see? It's a train. Look at the train coming. It's gonna go faster around. Faster. There. Look at that. Woo!
Puff, puff, puff.
Puff, puff, puff. What does the train say, Drew? Drewby, go look at the train. Go look at it. Go turn that music off, Jen.
Huh?
Turn the music off. Thank you. Go look at the train, James. Or Drew. Go, Drewby, go! Go!
Do you want to see how the train works? Do you want to make the train go?
Go get him.
Okay, come here. I'll show you how.
Go see Mama. Go see Mama. She's going to show you how to use the train, Drew.
Are you all done? Or do you want to come see and do it? Come see. Come here. Come here, come here. Okay, come sit on my lap. sit down with Mama. You're going to use this. Make the train work. Yeah, this is what makes the train work. You want to come do it? Sit down right here. We're going to do this. You have to lift this part up. See, that makes the train work.
Can you make it work, Drew? Go push it. Brum brum.
Drew, what does a train say? What does a train say? You won't do your
Woo woo.
Yeah.
How fast will it go? It'll go loud fast. Yay, Drew! Yay, Drew. Hey, Drew, come here. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. Come here. Where's Grandma? Say hi. Say hi, Grandma.
Look at the camera.
Can you wave? Can you wave? Do waves. Wave, wave. Can you wave? Wave, hello. Can you do a wave? Hello, say hello, Grandma. Hello. Can you give us a kiss?
Is there milk on my floor? How did milk get on my floor?
Oh, look what Drew's gonna do. You can push it. Push it up.
Oh, I turned it. I unplugged it. Here. You make the train go?
Push it up.
Here, lift this part up.
Lift it up.
Can you lift it up?
Good job. Push it. Push it a little bit more, Drew.
Wow! What is that?
What's that you have in your hand, bud? What's that?
He's not paying any attention to us. Here it comes. Can you lift this up a little bit more? Make it go faster? Oh, that turns it off.
Pull it up.
Back up. Now it's in neutral. Now it's going to go backwards. Now it's in neutral again. Hold on. Now lift it up. Lift it up. One more time. Lift it up again. You do it?
Lift it up.
You want to make the whistle go?
Yay! Press the whistle.
Drew, come here. Come press this button. Oh no. Come here, Bubba. Come push this button. You push this button right here. Push this button. Not that button. That button's the bell. It doesn't work. There you go. Push it again. This one.
Yay!
Again. Push it again. This button. Push this button. Maybe. This one.
Yay! Good job. Okay, wait, bye-bye. All done.